Good morning. We're in a race against the weather this morning. We've got all our tasks completed. We have our truck camper off the truck and we're now getting ready to put it back on the truck. But I wanted to show you this really cool thing we got. In the bed of the truck, we have tried different rubber mats. We've actually tried 2 different ones.
Haven't had the best of luck with them.
Not happy with them. Very heavy. Those mats are quite heavy. So we actually found this other bed mat, and the brand is Bed Rug. We got it on Amazon, a couple $100, right?
They're custom fit for whatever vehicle you have. Like we have a Ram truck. We got one that fits the Ram 6'4" bed and fits on with Velcro. It actually, I'll show you this.
Yeah, so the difference between this and a regular mat is pretty significant.
Yeah, this is
super lightweight.
Yeah, but I actually cut that off.
Yeah, so it comes with a piece for the tailgate, which we obviously don't need because we have the tailgate off. So he removed that, but look at this, the grooves. It goes actually into the grooves on your truck bed. So it makes it even that more secure. And then the top of it that the camper's gonna lay on is kind of this hard plasticky stuff.
Plasticky.
We're gonna give it a go. I'm just really happy with how lightweight it is, so.
We're kind of racing time here. I washed the bed really well, dried it all off. There's no rain in the forecast, but it started raining.
Yeah. So
rain
now
stopped, dried it off again, started raining. So it's dry, it's not raining, so.
And the reason we need it dry is there's 2 big Velcro strips here. And one on the other side, and we need the bed dry so we can attach the other side of the Velcro to the bed floor.
Now these pieces are for the tailgate, which we don't need, and then these adhesion promoter pads. They're for if you're putting it on a bed liner. If you're putting it on the bare metal, you just put your Velcro on here, hook and loop, I think they call it.
Yeah, that's some pretty industrious stuff. So, like I said, we got this on Amazon. I'll put a link below or maybe on our website or something too. We are not associated with this brand in any way or affiliates. We just found this product and thought it might be useful to some of you if you are struggling with bed mat options.
Crooked.
We definitely don't want crooked. Now, you know, with the weight of the camper, this isn't going to be going anywhere, but
sometimes you take the camper off and this.
You don't want it flying in the breeze. Yeah. Do it right the first time.
Do it right. So I'm going to put it in the bed like this.
Okay.
And I'll lift up one side, peel the sticky off, set that side down.
Yep.
And then the same with the other side, and then we're done.
Okay.
Except one thing we're going to try is, I did a test on the top of this, put some duct tape on it just to see how well it stuck, and it stuck to it actually really well. So we're thinking about, just for ease of loading, measure the center of the camper and put on a piece of duct tape stripe all the way down, and then when this is on, measure the center of the truck bed, put a piece of white duct tape up the center of that, so when I'm backing up,
you can line the strips.
I can try to just keep that lined up because we get stressed out doing this.
Okay, let's just get the bed mat in before it rains, and then the rest we can do in the rain. Now look how nicely that fits.
Like a glove.
I mean, that's great. This is it. Don't get scared. Well, we got it on. It took so long the camera died. Well, all of a sudden the sun came out, right? The camera overheated. I didn't know. I'm sweaty. I have a sweatshirt on. Oh.
It's the most, I've never seen anything in our 20 plus years together that stresses her out more than this. I'm literally half inch, stop, let's look. And she's right. It's better to be checking it. It takes a while, but
it's tight tolerances.
It is.
Like we're talking a half inch, and you want it completely centered because
Yeah.
you don't want to be driving across the country even off to the side a half
well,
inch.
we've never had it perfect, but this time I wanted it perfect. So I was going back and forth, and I was measuring from here. And the thing that makes it awkward when you first start doing it is this box here is shaped like this, not the rectangle.
Yeah.
So this measurement is less than this measurement. So to get both the front and the back, both sides, I wanted them
Perfect.
to the exact. And we did. It took a while.
Yeah, it took a while, but you know.
The tape stripe worked great in the beginning. I could just see it out the back window, but then I couldn't anymore. So what I want to do is we use this backup camera. Hold on. So the tape thing worked just to the point where the bed meets the front of the camper, and then as the distance of the camper gets closer to the cab, I can't see it anymore, and she can't see it. But the key is that first half, and so this is the halo view camera. You can adjust this whatever angle, but I'm going to put this back there. The bottom is magnetic too, and then I can use my.
Oh, I see.
And I can watch that white line as it meets the black line.
Why didn't we do that?
I don't know.
I don't know, but also,
We're always learning.
wouldn't it be in reverse or something? If you were off? I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out. I'm not the driver. I don't know.
No, I'd just be able to see that
Yeah.
white line. Anyway, we did it.
We did it and hope to not do it again for at least another year. I mean, if I ever have to get back in there, it's too soon.
We'll have to take it off again. But that's what,
We will, yeah.
for us doing it alone, that'd be the second time.
I think so, yeah. Completely alone. So, I mean, there are people that take these into campgrounds and drop them if they're staying more than one night. That's not us. And that is something we thought maybe we would do before we got this truck camper. And now, I mean, it didn't take very long to realize we wouldn't, because it's stressful, but also because we're used to having everything with us. So we would really miss having all our stuff. So
It is funny. We just had this off for less than a week. And we have to go to the store. It's like, okay.
we have to plan everything.
Yeah. Wait a minute. I gotta go to the bathroom. There's no bathroom in the truck.
Yeah, it was complicated.
Public bathrooms. Ugh.
Anyway, we're glad to get this back on the truck. Next time you see us, we're going to be cruising down the road. So,
Got some fishing to do in the Gulf of Mexico.
yeah, let's go get lost.
Somewhere nearby there. Yeah, it's time to go.
Yeah. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.